One of the most common concern of stock market investor is this: how to balance losses during a recession period. Our industry expert Mr. Satish Prabhu will share his views and insights with you.
If you want to balance your losses, then I would suggest that invest in a balanced advantage fund type of a product where you have both the asset classes. So basically, what that does is that it buys more equity when the markets are down, and it buys more or it sells equity when the markets are up. So it tries to adjust your asset allocation during these particular market phases, and it does it automatically, so you don't have to actually interfere and be worried that am I making a profit. But obviously it will not give you as high returns as equity, but it will certainly bring your risk down, and you will not have to worry about market fluctuation.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.